Hi everyone, so today in this video I am opening up the contents of this bag. It's a bag I never ever thought that I would own. I never thought I'd own a pair of Crocs, but I now own two pairs. So if you've watched previous videos or followed my other Twitter account, you'll have seen me gushing about these. The band Little Big have collaborated with Crocs to create the contents of this bag. Now, I love Little Big. Little Big are probably my favourite band at the minute. I love them and I love these Crocs. They're so ugly, but I absolutely love them. So, let's get into them, I guess. Trying not to show my address. Okay. I'm gonna get them out first. Oh no, they're coming out of the bag before I'm looking at them. I'm not looking at them. I'm not looking at them. I'm not looking at them. Okay. So, we have two pairs of Little Big Crocs. So, this pair is open first, so let's have a look at that pair first, shall we? Okay. Little Big Crocs. These are pretty cool. I love these. So they come with bubble wrap inside. I know that like some people who got sent these as promotional things got them in really cool boxes. I was kind of hoping that we got them in the cool boxes, but apparently not. So let's get them out. Oh wow. Oh wow, these look tiny. I'm kind of worried. I'm kind of worried that these look very small. But wow. Look at them. Let me take them out of the thing. I can't get them out. But here they are. Little Big Crocs. They've got these, I can't remember what these are called. The Jimbits, something like that? I can't remember. Jibbits. Oh, these are so cool. So, they have this strap detail. The chain has all of this on here. The spikes on the side. All the spikes up here. I'll do like an up-close video of them in a second, but this is just to show you what they look like when I first take them out. So that is the first pair. The second pair, again, Little Big Crocs. And these ones are the pink ones. Wow. Okay, so the sizing on Crocs is very confusing, so I'm not sure if I've ordered the right size, because there was my size women's and my size men's, and I'm like, are they different sizes? I don't know. So I ordered the women's, probably maybe should have ordered the men's, I'm not sure, but actually they don't look too bad. I don't know, we'll try them on in a bit, but this one has got details like the, oh my god, I didn't realise that these said Little Big on them. These little chains here, they say Little Big. I thought that they were just like random charms. There's like a poop emoji as well. That's pretty cute. And then these have got the spikes on the back as well. These have got like, they're actually like metal. I thought they'd be like plastic. They say Little Big on the side. But they have like piercing details around them and on here as well. They're so cute. So yeah, I'm gonna show you these a little bit closer up, so see you in a minute.